Former Chief Minister Biren has strongly condemned the brutal killing of 4 Liangmai Naga by suspected Kuki militants along IT Road in Kangpokpi district yesterday. In a post on his X account, Biren questioned how many more innocent lives must be lost before decisive action is taken. He said the attack comes at a time when the bodies of 6 Naga civilians butchered earlier are still being kept in the mortuary by their families as a mark of protest, as justice has not yet been delivered, while asserting that those who do not want peace to prevail are still out in the open, armed and emboldened. Biren said condemnations, assurances and mere words are no longer enough, and there must be serious, visual and immediate action. Biren further demanded that the perpetrators must be arrested and brought to justice.